English through daily news. Two friends talking on coronavirus in India. Hi Suresh. Hi Ramesh. Did you hear the news? Which news? About new coronavirus cases in Delhi. Yes, I saw that. I am really scared. I am thinking of going to my village. I think we need the right information. No need to panic. But the virus is very dangerous. It is, but we will control it. How can you say so? See, we controlled H1N1, SARS, bird flu. But what if we get infected? If you take precautions, you won't get infected. Precautions like what? For one, wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Okay? Also, avoid crowded places. Okay? Don't eat out. Okay? If you feel the fever or cough or breathing problems, see a doctor. Okay? If someone at your home falls sick, take them to the doctor. Okay? Avoid getting too close to strangers. Right. It is a problem, but if we panic, it will only become worse. But we need to save ourselves. Yes, and we can do that by getting more information. But the right kind of information. Okay? Yes, there's a lot of false information everywhere. Some people are saying yoga can help cure coronavirus. No one knows if that is true. Right. But we know that if someone is coughing, you should stay away from them. Yes. Also, avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth when you are out. Okay? Wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds when you come home from outside. Taking precautions is more useful than panicking. You are right, but the virus is so dangerous, no? It is dangerous, but you only increase the danger by panicking. You mean no need for me to go back to my village? Oh, that can be riskier. Why? See, you will go by train or bus. Yes. There will be so many people. Yes. You don't know who all could be infected. You are right. Isn't it better to stay here, follow precautions, avoid crowded places? That's true. Relax. Be careful but relax. All will be well. Thanks, Suresh. I was really scared. No problem. It'll all be okay. Yes, it will be. Coronavirus will be defeated. Exactly. Alright, I'll push off. Cool. See you soon. Bye. Bye.